Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to create a Discord account on your PC with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to discordapp.com. This is the official site where we'll kick off the process. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Open Discord in your browser. Click on it and you'll be directed to the next step. Now, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter a username. Choose a name that represents you well and is easy for your friends to recognize. Once you've entered your desired username, click the arrow to move forward. Next up, Discord will ask you to complete a Captcha to ensure you're not a robot. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and once you've successfully cleared that, you'll see a pop-up offering you options. This pop-up will give you the choice to get started with creating a new server right away, or to skip ahead to finish setting up your account. If you want to get straight to the account creation part, just click on Skip. Now, Discord will prompt you to secure your account. This means you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account safe. After you've filled in the details, go ahead and click Claim Account. Once that's done, a pop-up will suggest downloading the Discord desktop application. You can click the X in the corner to skip this step for now if you prefer using the browser. Finally, check your email inbox. Look for a confirmation email from Discord, and click the link within that email to verify your new account. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to start chatting and connecting with friends on Discord. Happy gaming!